what's up guys? What's up YouTube?
My name is Martin and this is my daddy Reagan.
Hey, what's up guys? And we're back again for another unboxing and a quick review. For another unboxing and a quick review. Okay,
Addition to our collection.
Addition to our collection for today is the Star Wars
Luke Skywalker.
Luke Skywalker
From The Last Jedi.
Yes, from The Last Jedi.
Deluxe version.
So this is a deluxe version. MMS
458.
458. Yes. Hottoys 16 scale. So you can see this is the box.
The picture at the back. And the
print. This is how they print the box now.
Before there was no picture at the back.
Yes, it's just plain. And then now it's like front and back. You can enjoy the picture of this figure. Yes, okay, so let's open it. A movie masterpiece again. This is a print cover, and then there you go, right? Okay, we already unboxed this one for inspection. Yeah.
And here's the deluxe version.
Yeah, the deluxe version where some
like survival stuff.
included accessories. Yes.
Yeah, he's like.
Yeah, his survival pack or backpack.
And extra tools and extra these backpack and backpack. Right. It's called porgs.
So okay. So let's start from this one.
The porg here, his cane and his metal rod and his lightsaber.
Okay.
And down here is his like
coat
side.
Right here, guys, you can see. And then let's take it out the figure. So you better remove the plastic and the head sculpt. Ta-da! Nice, amazing. And then let's get the base here.
So the base has two prints.
So it has two prints, which is included the what's this? The Rebellion. And then with the Star Wars Millennium Falcon, and then the base and the forest.
Like standing on the mountain.
Yes, the mountain, right? So you can enjoy or you can choose which one you like. And then let's put this one. Put it here first, and then let's stand them in there. Let me try to remove the plastic. So yes, this is the figure, guys.
Metal rod.
You can see right here.
The one like Ray has.
And this one is
his cane.
And this lightsaber. And then we don't know the other one. This is his lightsaber. But his lightsaber is not lighting up.
There's no lighting up.
Yeah, just a simple one.
Backpack.
His backpack. So
with the what's that like?
Stuff.
What's that like thing where he gets the green milk?
I don't know. We don't know if that's milk or just water or.
It's green milk. He drinks green. He kind of move. He like went to the like other side of the island and got the milk, like some kind of animal living near the rock.
Okay.
Just lays around.
Okay.
Doesn't care about it.
Yes. Yeah. Okay. So, and then some woods, so he can make a fire. I think.
Wood.
I think this has some sticks for him to make a fire. And some
the
ropes, and underneath some rope.
Rope.
Yes.
And what's this thing?
His mat, maybe when he's for sleeping. Yeah.
And his kind of like this a GPS?
Maybe a GPS.
Or maybe
The other hand has the gloves. The other one is
like
just the bare hand.
2 extra hands, and then the tools.
Yeah, some tools
and
for.
then-
You have to research again. And then what is this? Yeah.
And then his bag.
This is his extra bag right here, shoulder bag.
There's foam inside.
Deluxe version. Oh, nice. So you can see his shoulder because of that much of like pads.
It like can do at least up to 90 degrees.
Yeah, more than
Or
90
above.
degrees. Yeah, above. And yeah, I think it's the same. Same on the knees. So I think so. Not that much, right?
Yeah.
So there's a manual here. Always stick it here. Okay. So yeah, you can see right there. That's what you can get
From the
from
deluxe
the
version.
Star Wars The Last Jedi deluxe version.
Skywalker.
Yeah, Luke Skywalker. Yeah, actually there's a. It's not just deluxe version. This one is like a. Yeah, I forgot how they call it. Yeah. Anyway.
Stealth?
No. I forgot it. Yeah, something like that.
Survival.
Yeah, maybe survival. Yeah, maybe. Let's see.
Survival
We're gonna
pack.
take a look later, right? And then yeah, of course, everything is nice. Everything is perfect. I mean, the details on his coat, on his
On his
suit,
like,
on his
bag.
clothes, huh?
On his bag also.
Yes, on his hands. Look at the details. Of course, the face is
Or
very
above.
highly detailed. Yes, look at that hand
Oh, no.
sculpt. Nice. My gosh. Nice. Yes, right? Yeah, I
He
think that's it.
He looks like him. What's his
Yeah.
name in real life?
Huh?
What is his name in real life?
My gosh, I forgot suddenly.
You met him before.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Oh my gosh, what happened? Why? It's Mark Hamill. Oh my gosh, what happened to my...
You only remember his
Yeah.
surname.
Yes, only his surname. I forgot suddenly. Mark. Very common name and suddenly forgot. Yes. So, okay, that's it. What are you gonna say to them, Martin?
If you want to watch our next video, please subscribe down below, and bye guys!
Bye guys. Thank you for watching.
Peace out.
Ten.